Alright, this is lesson 30 of Algebra 2. And it's going to be real quick because it's all that we're concerned about, all that I'm concerned about is a few geometry truths that we've already talked about, but I just want to remind you of them. One, the first one is that a straight angle is 180 degrees, and we've talked about that before. So here's my angle, this straight angle. Here's my vertex of my angle. So I have 180 degrees here. If I split that angle into two, those two angles have to add up to 180. So if I say this is, let's say 120, then that means this small angle right here has to be 60 because they have to add up to 180. The second one is opposite angles. When two lines intersect, opposite angles are congruent. Because, so if I have, this is A, B, C, and D, you will notice that angle A plus angle B equals 180, and you notice that angle B plus angle C equals 180. That's a straight angle, that's a straight angle. If both of these equal 180, then they have to equal themselves, each other. Angle A plus angle B has to equal angle B plus angle C, because they're both 180. So those two things have to be equal. So then if I subtract my angle B, I'm left with angle A equals angle C. So this angle and this angle has to be the same measurement, because they're and we call those opposite angles. All right, the third one is, remember our parallel lines, and we talked about this just the other day. No matter how many parallel lines I have, and I know these are all parallel when I put this little tick mark on it, that says they're all parallel. So I have as many parallel lines as I want. If I have a transversal that cuts those parallel lines, opposite angles are congruent. Let me show you. Angle A, 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 A. Notice they cross over the transversal. One's on one side of the transversal, one's on the other. Opposite here, cross the transversal. Opposite here, cross the... All of those angles have to be the same. And all of these angles also have to be the same. Same thing. Opposite angles, cross the transversal. Opposite angles, cross the transversal. Opposite, cross. Opposite, cross. All of those. All right. That's the only thing that's you need to worry about in lesson 30. And again, it's a review of statements, geometry statements that we've already covered before. Thank you very much.